In this video, I do something stupid. BoyWonderFPV laughs. We nearly get arrested. I'm here because my wife, the angry Karen, has decided she's had enough of me and she's kicked me out of the house until I complete one of her challenges. BoyWonderFPV has the envelope and I'm going to read it out now. It says, "You're very annoying, but I still love you. However, in order to get back into the house, you need to complete the challenge of flying the crane that is currently behind you." Well, little does she realise, I've brought this.
There's something else. Read the envelope again.
Hold that, Boy Wonder.
Okay.
BoyWonderFPV will now pass you the drone that you must fly. Absolutely not. Nope, absolutely not.
What's the drone he has to fly?
Absolutely no way am I flying this 65mm custom tiny whoop to the top of that crane.
I don't care, you have to.
Absolutely not. Not a chance. Nope, not a chance. Nope. This or the wife.
Bit to bit.
Let's freaking go. Okay.
Oh, I'm scared.
With these 40,000 motors to actually make it to the top.
I'm gonna record you.
Right, I don't know if I'm going to make it with this because this is a really thirsty battery. Sorry, a really thirsty drone and a really small battery. We're at 3.7 volts and I'm only just at the cab now. I really don't know if we're going to have enough power to make it, Boy Wonder.
Bro.
Yo.
I don't mean to alarm you.
God, don't. Oh, nearly hit the crane.
There's a police officer.
No. What?
In their car.
Right.
Staring straight at us.
What are they doing?
Like, they're not moving, they're staring straight at us.
You're kidding.
Trying to make a discreet noise for me.
Yep. Are they looking at me? Can they see me or just you?
Just me right now.
Okay.
See a bit of you. Right. Oh my god, thank God. Thank God.
What? Oh, phew. Oh, mate, I was so shaky.
Say.
I was so shaking.
Be quiet because they might come back.
Okay, yeah. All right. Oh, low battery.
Come back up.
I'm having too much fun.
Quick! What about you on? What about you?
3.3.
Land now.
I'm going to just go to the very top. Make sure you're filming the dangly.
Are you following?
Oh. Quick, I've hardly got any battery left.
No.
Quick. No.
I don't know where you are on the camera.
I'm right next to the anchor at the top.
Oh yeah, hang on, let me zoom in.
Quick.
I've got you.
I've got no battery.
There he is.
All right, I'm going to have to come back quick. I don't know if I'm going to make it. Oh, no, shit. Battery 2.8. That's what happens when you're challenged to fly a 65mm tiny whoop up a crane that size. Now, I didn't show you the end of the flight because, well, quite frankly, it became what's known in the UK as squeaky bum time. But we're going to reveal officially now whether or not we got the tiny whoop back. And I can show you exactly what we received back from the crane gods. Yes, I did a thing! I flew a tiny whoop up there with knackered batteries on 40,000 kV motors. Get out there and fly your drones and have some fun. I really hope you've enjoyed this episode with BoyWonderFPV and I. We've enjoyed making it. If you want to submit a challenge to us, do it. Leave a comment down below and tell us what we should do for the next one of these style videos. There's going to be loads more of them in the coming few weeks. However, I just want to say thank you so much for all the support that you've given BoyWonderFPV and I. It means the world to us. It genuinely does. And I hope you're enjoying the new videos. BoyWonderFPV, come here. What message do you have for the boys and girls?
One more day.
YouTube and I have had a chat and we believe that this is the video that you'll like the most. So watch it and let me know if they're right.